Empower Digi Teach Project. Unit 3. Empower students with digital technologies. Lesson 3.4. Accessibility and inclusion.
Hello, I'm Peter. I'm a special education teacher in high school. We will talk about accessibility and inclusion. Inclusive design, ID, extends to elements such as typography, colors, and even animations. The Web Content Accessibility Guidelines 2.1 appeared in 2008 by the World Wide Web Consortium. These guidelines define that accessible content must respect 4 principles of web accessibility: perceivable, operable, understandable, robust. Assistive technology, AT, software truly helps disabled users use applications. Some of the technologies are scanning systems, voice interaction, and ARISARC. It is important to adopt collaborative development where users with disabilities actively participate in the evaluation testing (ET) phase, providing feedback to the development team about what is failing and what could be improved. Tools should also be used to evaluate and test the accessibility of the solution. This is useful for programmers in the initial testing phase to know if the application meets minimum levels of digital accessibility. This type of tests includes tests with real users, tests with web validators. In order to organize all the rules necessary for the implementation of inclusive solutions, a checklist was created with the necessary actions for web content that meets different types of disabilities, in line with the guidelines of the posters published by the British government on its official page dedicated to accessibility. This checklist considers users with low vision, users with motor disabilities, users with screen readers, users with hearing impairment, users on the autism spectrum, and users with dyslexia. The creation of accessible content goes beyond its availability. Visual design is crucial to ensure that everyone can use content effectively. This includes carefully selecting colors, fonts, and contrast levels for visually impaired or cognitively impaired students. Choosing clear fonts and large buttons and avoiding unnecessary animations minimize confusion and distraction. These design options may benefit users with conditions such as color blindness, cataracts, attention deficit, or autism. We suggest a list with tools and platforms: Read Speaker, Accessibility Scanner, Professional Dragon, JAWS, Access to Work with Speech, Amora, Easy YouTube Caption Creator Accessify, Fang Screen Reader Emulator Add-ons for Firefox, TextEyes, the text-only Internet tool, Wave, Web Accessibility Assessment Tool, Mathena, Arrowword, Google Services, Apple Devices, Microsoft Office 365. Microsoft 365 is committed to inclusive design and accessible products and content. As an example, let's show you some accessibility features for Word. Dictate your documents in Word. Dictation allows you to use voice-to-text to create content with a microphone and a reliable internet connection. 1. Open a new or existing document and go to the Home Office Dictate button while connected to Microsoft 365 on a microphone-enabled device. 2. Wait for the Dictate button to turn on and start listening. 3. Start speaking to see the text appear on the screen. This important information will be very useful. Thank you very much.